The British tabloid prints front page mea culpa after publishing long extracts of a private letter written to her father in 2018. However, it doesn't look feasible when the publishers of the Mail on Sunday and Mail Online hasn't never been completely accepting of Duchess Meghan's court win. Meghan Markle's lawsuit with the Mail on Sunday and its publisher is finally over, especially now that the outlet has acknowledged her victory, with a bit of sorry, not sorry. The Associated Newspaper's tabloid published a bare post on their homepage this weekend, simply titled "The Duchess of Sussex," which serves as a court-ordered apology handed down by a judge as a result of MM's lawsuit which she won. Their remarks are kept pretty brief, as they write of the matter, following a hearing on 19 January 20, 2021, and a further hearing on May 5, 2021, the court has given judgment for the Duchess of Sussex on her claim for copyright infringement. They add, the court found that Associated Newspapers infringed her copyright by publishing extracts of her handwritten letter to her father in the Mail on Sunday and in Mail Online. And finally, financial remedies have been agreed. The full judgment following the 19 to 20 January hearing and the court's summary of it can be found here and here. They add, the full judgment following the 5th of May hearing can be found here. It's not a full-on mea culpa, but it is a nod to the reality. Meghan sued them for publishing a 5-page letter she'd written to her father, Thomas, which MOS had obtained and cited in a story not too long after marrying Harry. In addition to having to keep it there for at least a week, Mail on Sunday was also ordered to pay 90% of Meg's legal fees, which are estimated to be a little less than $2 million. Following a hearing on 19th-20th of January, 2021, and a further hearing on 5th of May, 2021, the court has given judgment for the Duchess of Sussex on her claim for copyright infringement, the statement said. The court found that Associated Newspapers infringed her copyright by publishing extracts of her handwritten letters to her father in the Mail on Sunday and on Mail Online. Financial remedies have been agreed. On February 11, High Court Lord Justice Mark Warby ruled in Meghan's favor in a summary judgment, a type of verdict granted when a judge determines that no trial is needed because the evidence is so overwhelming. In his decision, Warby wrote that there is no prospect that a different judgment would be reached after a trial. ANL's lawyers appealed the ruling, claiming that Warby was wrong to award Meghan victory by a summary judgment and arguing for the right to present their case at trial, something the Duchess has fought against from the beginning of the proceedings. To permit the defense to go to trial would only have facilitated further invasions of Meghan's privacy, her lawyers wrote to the UK Court of Appeals in November. Meghan's legal team accused ANL of pushing for a trial because it would give the tabloid company the opportunity to profit handsomely from the media circus that would inevitably result. During the appeal proceedings in November, lawyers for ANL argued that Warby made his judgment without knowing all of the information, and presented new evidence in the form of written testimony from the Sussex's former communications secretary Jason Knauf that showed inconsistencies in Meghan's statements to the court about the letter and her expectations of privacy. According to Knauf, Meghan composed the letter knowing that her father might give it to the press. And although Meghan swore under oath that she never coordinated with members of the media to share private information, Knauf provided the court with emails between himself and the Duchess discussing what she wanted him to say in a secret briefing with two reporters who were writing what proved to be a very sympathetic biography of the Sussexes. In response to Knauf's revelations, in a witness statement filed November 11, Meghan apologized to the court for the fact that I had not remembered these exchanges and swore she had no intention to mislead the defendant or the court.